Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition, and I'll show you how to access the test mode. So we'll start off by opening up the dialer app and tap on this green button, and we'll put in this code, which is *808 and hash. So if you can see it, go straight to the test mode. Warning, there's a warning from the OnePlus what this mode might do, which you can see will basically might enable GPS and other things that will consume a little bit more battery. So just tap on enter, and from here you have all the tests that you can run. For the most part they're not named, but if you tap on it, for instance like number 11, it goes into basically battery status, which you can see here, and it's a lot of them. Receiver test, you can basically go through any of this and test it. Camera test. So yeah, let's go one back, and you have device debugging here, camera, media debugging. So basically there's a lot of different options. So yeah, now if you want to leave this, you can just normally leave it like so. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.